Hi guys, welcome to Total Technik. Today working on the Audi A4, S4 and RS4. This is the B8 platform and we're focusing on the inner of the tail lights here. This is for the Saloon or the Sedan. I'm going to show you today how to replace the reverse bulb. So let's get it done. So if you open up your boot or your trunk lid and have a look at the interior carpeted panel here, you'll see we've actually got this kind of this little cutout shape right here. That's what we're going to focus on. So this has got a couple of little clips that hold it in place. So what we want to do is lift the whole thing down. They can sometimes be a little bit tricky to get in behind. If so, you can use a trim tool, or if you get really stuck, a flat-headed screwdriver. Just be careful if you're using metal against the metal of the car. Just enough so you can get your fingers inside. Once your fingers are inside, you can see the clips. There's one just there, and there's the same down on the bottom. What we want to do is just carefully pop those clips down, and so here you can see here's the clip right here, and that clips up inside there. That's how these work. So this is going to give us access to the main inner rear light panel. So we need to get this removed next to access the bulbs. So the key to removing this panel is it's got this little red tab right in the center. So we're going to push that to the side and then pull the whole panel down, and that should just slide out of place. So that little red tab, you want to pull it kind of towards you. This is towards the outside, away from the center of the boot. So let's give that a pull to one side, give it a bit of a wiggle, and this whole panel will lift down, and it's going to give us access to the bulbs. So now we have access to the panel here. We can see the reverse bulb is right here. The application of the bulbs might vary a little bit depending on what country you live in, but on this particular vehicle, this one is the reverse bulb. So all you want to do is give that a bit of a wiggle, and that will pop out like so. And so once you've got your new replacement bulb, all you need to do is just make sure that it seats nicely into the other little clips in the bottom there. Like so. Give it a bit of a wobble, make sure it feels good. And now's the time to test that. So you're going to want to go and put your car in reverse and have someone watch it for you to make sure that this bulb illuminates as it should. You want to do this before you put it all back together. You don't want to be taking it all apart again. So once you're happy, it's ready to be refitted. So once your bulbs are replaced, you can refit this main panel. All you want to do is align the bulbs with the holes and just push it upwards, and the whole thing will click into place. Give it a bit of a wobble, make sure it's safe and secure in there. And then the main panel here, remember you've got these two clips here and these two clips there. And then just tuck that in behind. So that's it guys, that is how to replace the bulbs. If this video has been helpful for you, please help us out in return and hit that like button before you go, and be sure to check out our YouTube channel or our website for literally hundreds more Audi videos. Thanks for watching, we'll see you on the next one.